Hi, we're a group of 6 students from Ravensbourne, and we'll be doing a reinterpretation of Homer's Odyssey using the Cyclops passage for the BFX competition. Hi, I'm Adam, and I'm going to be team leader on this project. I'll also be doing a few other things such as character design and animation as well.
Hi, I'm Amber, and I'm going to be doing modelling and texturing.
Hi, I'm Ned, and I'm going to be doing all the rigging and the character assets in this project.
Hi, I'm James Hansel. I'm one of 2 animators on the project.
Hi, I'm James. I'm a 3D journalist, and for the project I'll be doing mainly modelling, 3D environments and sculpting.
Hi, I'm Steve, and I'll be doing the dynamics and the rendering for the project, and I'm really looking forward to it.
The reason we are applying for this competition is because we want to learn how a visual effects pipeline works, and from this produce an engaging piece of VFX cinema. We realise that the VFX industry in Britain is the best in the world, and it's a fantastic opportunity to learn from the pioneers within the profession.
Our film will be set in the present day within an ancient Greek museum, of which our main character experiences an unfamiliar reality, reliving Ulysses' experiences from the Odyssey. We will create a 30-second sequence that combines live-action film with CGI creature animation.
To begin with, we have designed our Cyclops character through historical reference, past concepts, and some of our own creative ideas. In films previous to ours, the Cyclops character has been portrayed as a large, cumbersome brute. We have taken this idea and reinvented his persona and physique into an athletic and intelligent character to fit our concept. His intelligence is key to our narrative, as he has psychokinetic powers that he uses to warp the mind of our main character.
From Adam's drawings, I did a quick concept sculpt in ZBrush to give you an idea of how it will look in 3D. When I model this for real, I want to take it further, adding scars, surface details, refining the anatomy, and making it a bit more asymmetrical. I've also done some experiments in lighting and deforming the 3D environment.
I will be modelling and texturing the environment assets, which will be based off ancient Greek artefacts. This is so that the Cyclops is more at home in the surroundings of the museum. I have also designed a character pose sheet so that we all have a better idea of how the Cyclops needs to be rigged and animated.
Using an earlier model of the character, which was created by Amber, I've been experimenting with just creating a few blend shapes to get across emotions around the eye. The sanity of an animator can pretty much be dictated by the level of competence in the rig, so I'm going to create a fully realised rig including muscle objects so that when the animators come to do their bit they can achieve as much realism as possible.
I've put some thought into the poses we'll be using when animating the Cyclops.
Using a variety of references, I will break down each individual shot into a specific movement. I'm excited by this project as it is my first chance to animate a creature. I have also learned to 3D track a nuke.
For the 3D elements within our shots, we will do photorealistic textures, shading and lighting. We will use HDR to accurately match our Maya scene with the filmed location. We will be using mental ray or V-ray to light our scenes.
I will be using multiple techniques, including dynamic simulations and scripting, to create a realistic, exciting and effective piece. End particles will be applied as a force on the cracked structures, with each structure a transform constant. For rendering, I will be using diffuse, specular, shadow, lighting, ambient occlusion and Z depth. I will also composite with nuke.
Our opening shot will be a close-up of our main character consisting of only live footage and no effects or CG. We will be shooting a locked-off version and a handheld version of every shot. This shot will be one of our more complicated shots, as we will have the actor including the CGI Cyclops. To make this possible, we will have to shoot a clean plate and a green screen of our actor into the foreground. Another method would be to use rotoscoping. The benefits of rotoscoping are that we would avoid having to match the lighting of the actor to the plate. This will be the shot where we properly introduce the Cyclops. We'll be shooting from the perspective of our actor, which will require a handheld shot and a 3D track in post. This will be a full CG shot which will involve a complex facial rig showing fierce expressions around the eye. Here our main character will begin to break down from the psychokinesis of the Cyclops. This will be one of the more experimental shots where we will include work from most of the group. This is the shot where we can show off our animation skills. The Cyclops starts to creep towards the main character. This is the last shot where you will see the Cyclops. He pounces towards the main character with his arms raised, about to attack. In this shot, our main character is coming back to reality, into a museum without the Cyclops. He will be crouched down, shaking with fear. Our final shot will be of the main character looking up whilst being approached by a security guard in the museum. This is to reinforce the idea of him coming back to reality.